Understanding pipe repairs, a simple guide for English language learners. Hello everyone. Today we're going to explore the phrase, pipe repairs. This term might seem technical, but it's quite simple to understand. We'll break it down together, look at some examples, and by the end of this video, you'll be comfortable using and understanding this phrase in everyday English. Pipe repairs refers to the process of fixing pipes that are part of a plumbing system. Pipes are cylindrical tubes that carry water or gas in and out of buildings. When these pipes leak, burst, or get damaged in any way, they need to be repaired. This is what we call pipe repairs. It's a common term in household maintenance and construction. To give you a better understanding, let's look at some examples. 1. Fixing a leaky faucet. This is a simple form of pipe repair where a plumber fixes a dripping tap. 2. Repairing a burst water pipe. This is more complex and may involve replacing a section of the pipe that has burst due to pressure or freezing temperatures. 3. Unclogging drains. Sometimes, pipes get blocked. Clearing these blockages is also considered a pipe repair. Now, let's see how to use this phrase in sentences. The bathroom is flooded. We need to call a plumber for pipe repairs. Our old house frequently requires pipe repairs due to aging infrastructure. Learning basic pipe repairs can save you money on small plumbing issues. I hope this video has helped you understand what pipe repairs means and how to use it in everyday conversation. Remember, it's all about fixing or maintaining the pipes that are essential for water and gas flow in buildings. Keep practicing, and you'll be a pro in no time. See you in our next lesson.